In this video, I'm going to show you how to stream Apple TV on Discord without a black screen. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to open up Google Chrome like you normally would. And unfortunately, this will only work on PC. Anyways, guys, all you want to do from here is you want to look up Google Settings extension right over here, then go ahead and press on Enter. And then it is going to go ahead and load in this right over here. And you want to go to the official chromewebstore.google.com website right over here. And it should look something like this. So please go ahead and download this web browser extension. Once you went ahead and installed it, go to the top menu, go to this puzzle piece, and make sure that settings is actually pinned. And then after that, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and just open it up, then go ahead and press on settings. Once you're over here in the search bar, all you want to do is you want to look up acceleration right over here. Then you're going to get this option that says use graphics acceleration when available. Now, by default, that is going to be turned on. And you want to turn it off, and you may need to go ahead and reload your web browser. All right, once you're done with that, go ahead and open up Apple TV like you normally would. And again, unfortunately, this will only work if you're on a PC. So guys, make sure to go ahead and log into your Apple TV account. And then from there, you guys should be able to go ahead and start screen sharing without a black screen. But if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.